Kokila and you're watching my channel Tech Kokila. Today I have something very interesting and exciting thing to tell you. I know all you guys will love it. I know many mothers who are trying every possible thing to engage their kids in this lockdown period and otherwise also, be it dance, music, painting, and many more. And some are keen to engage their kids in coding. Yes, coding starts from an early age. Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates all started it at very early age, and then you can see the result. So today I am sharing with you that coding magic through which you can make your own stories, games and animation, and that magic is Scratch 3.0. It's a block-based visual programming language made by MIT. You can create your online projects using a drag and drop interface, and on the top of it, it's totally free. At the end of the video, I have an interesting homework for you. So watch till the end. And now let's start learning Scratch 3.0. First, you have to write Scratch in the Google search. Click on this Scratch, Imagine, Program and Share. This is the program, this is the language by MIT. There is plenty of things here. You can learn how to make a project. These are some starter projects. You can connect with other scratchers and some of few things. First, you can create your profile like I have made my profile. Also, you can explore some of the basic things. Now click on creating some blocks. Now, here are the few things. This is drag and drop. So you have to drag this and drop it here. Whatever you are putting in your game is called as sprite in Scratch. I am making a game where a boy is catching a ball. So first thing is I am using a backdrop, or you can say a background. Here are few things. I can choose a backdrop. I can edit it, some surprise element, and you can download your own and upload here. So I am choosing a backdrop already given here. This backdrop. Now, if I'm saying a boy is catching a ball, there are two sprites now, a boy and a ball. So taking a sprite here. These are multiple sprites. Let me take this boy here. Again, I am taking another sprite, that is ball, a soccer ball. Okay. So these are two sprites. Now I can also change the costume. I have to click this and there are costume buttons. So I can change its costume. Say, let me take this, change the color from this, say orange, like this. Okay, like this t-shirt color, and let's say this. Okay, this is my boy. But before this is Untitled 2. You can change its name, or you can say catch the ball game. Now this is the boy, this is the ball. Initially you can change its position like this. Okay, and you can change its position. Ball will go like this and this boy will catch the ball like this. So let's start coding. So coding here is drag and drop only. So let me create an event first, and this is click, this button is click, the ball will say hello. So I'm putting this hello for 2 seconds. You can change it also, but I'm taking hello as it is. I am putting some sound here to start sound, referee whistle, or you can choose your own, or you can record also. So I am taking which is inbuilt already there in Scratch. So start sound, referee whistle. After this, what I have to do is I have to make some score, which I have already created a variable score here. So set my initial score to 0. So I have to tick this score to 0. Then what I have to do, we have to take a forever loop. This is forever. Now in this forever, what I'm doing is I have to take if loop. If this boy touches ball, then what will happen? I have to take this here. If touching soccer ball, start sound, basketball sound is there. I'm taking that only. Okay, I have to change this to basketball bounce. Then what I have to do is when the boy touches the ball, the score should change to 1 and so on. So I have to I have to take change score. So this is in my variables, change score. So what I have to do is change score, that is my variable, change score by 1, right? And I have to repeat it. And what I'm doing is wait for 2 seconds for ball to come next. Wait for 2 seconds. This seems fine to me. Now what I'm doing is I have to shift this boy. So when this key is pressed, let me take up arrow. When up arrow is pressed, change y by 10. When down key is pressed, down arrow, then change y by minus 20. Okay, now the code for the ball, I have to press this. This is the section for the code. When this is pressed, so now I have to change its direction also, ball's direction also. So what I am doing is I am taking a forever loop again, and in this forever loop I am putting go to random direction. This is go to random position. I am putting this. Now I want balls to go in this direction. That this is x-axis. So I have to put x here. So set x to, so x, let me take 40. There is my repeat. I can change its repeat time. So I'm taking 40 times. So I'm taking change x by say minus 15. Now let me run this and see what will happen. So this way you can create your own game. If you want me to come with another such video on story making, do let me know which story you want me to create through your comments. Also, I will take the name of the person in my next video who will make such game and save that project in scratch. And do let me know via comment on this video. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Till then, stay safe and happy creating. Bye bye.